France, 1774. Louis XVI was the king. The old regime was still in place and France was divided into three estates of different social classes. Financial resources of France was drained.
King now, but see that the treasury is empty. Let me call meeting of the estate generals. I have to increase taxes. I have signed the constitution, but let me enter into secret negotiations with the king of Persia. I see a growing disconnect within the society of the old regime. I have to do something to continue in power.
The meeting was not fruitful. The third estate called themselves National Assembly. They took oath at the tennis court to make the constitution. The National Assembly wrote the rights of man. Later, Jacobins took control and their leader was Maximilien Robespierre.
I am Maximilien Robespierre. All the enemies of the Republic, arrest them, imprison, send them to be guillotined. I bring revolutionary policies to the most urgent needs of fatherland. I ration meat and bread. To curb the enemies of the liberty through terror is the right of the founder of the Republic. I ordered the people to eat plain degilate. I forbidden white flour to be used. Instead of monsieur and madame, men and women are supposed to be called citoyen and citoyenne. We must finish the war of liberty against tyranny. My goal is to create an indivisible France and equality before the law.
The National Assembly in 1792 declared war against Russia and Austria. Among the patriotic songs sung by the army, Marseillaise became famous and later became the national anthem of France.
I am Roger Delis. I am the captain in the French army. Mayor of Austria humiliated as saying French has no national anthem. Let me pen down a patriotic song. This is the war of people against kings. What's in my song is a fit of patriotic excitement. Let the movement get revolutionary.
The political clubs became an important rallying point. The most successful of these clubs was that of Jacobin.
I am a Jacobin, the member of the Jacobin Club. We are the most famous political club in the French Revolution. We, the Jacobin, are famous for making strong government. My club got its name from Saint Jacob.
A large group among the Jacobins started wearing long striped trousers and red hats. They were called sans-culottes.
I am Sanskrit. My fundamental political ideal is social equality, economic equality, and popular democracy. We, Sanskrit, set ourselves apart from fashionable section of society by wearing knee breeches.
Robespierre pursued his policies so relentlessly that even his supporters began to demand moderation. It all ended when he was convicted and sent to guillotine on July 1794.
Maximilien Robespierre is responsible for creating terror in the society. In the quest of implementing his policies, Maximilien tried to finish all his enemies by guillotining them. Maybe his ideas were good for the society, but the way of implementing was wrong.
All the evidence available, it is concluded that Maximilien Robespierre is responsible for executing innocent people, creating the reign of terror in the society. Therefore, the court orders that Maximilien Robespierre should be executed by guillotine on 28 July 1794.
The ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of French Revolution. These spread from France to rest of Europe during 19th century, where feudal systems were abolished.